love it. And you're fresh opening every time. So obviously back here with Nat. And we are actually talking on a panel next week for Startup Grind.
Are we?
Oh God.
Yeah, we are. No, we are. I'm just messing with you.
So we will be talking about LinkedIn, actually. So meta.
Yeah, LinkedIn, yeah.
Because we're talking about LinkedIn now. We're about to talk about LinkedIn on LinkedIn. So we actually wanted to give you a little sneak peek as to what we'll be talking about.
Yeah. Well,
what will we talk about?
I mean,
LinkedIn.
we're going to get asked questions about LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Startup guys, capital raising, growing businesses. What else?
I think hopefully nothing hard.
Yeah.
But something that always comes up when you're talking about any social media platform is content. And we were having a chat about content because you were saying that some of your clients say they don't even have time to post once a week.
Yeah, they're like, I want to, and I come to your events and it's great, but where do you find the time, like, to do literally one video in a week? Well, the video needs to be what, 1 minute, 2 minutes?
Max, if that, to be honest.
How can you not have 1 or 2 minutes? Like it's just with your phone, you can do it with your phone?
Yeah, absolutely, like we're doing now. So firstly, those people who say that, just stop saying that. Because there's no excuses. This is your time to just stop with excuses and just do it.
Yes.
So we thought we'd give you some ideas on how to actually do it.
So how do you do it?
Well, I actually get into work early. So I come into work, maybe half an hour before my team gets in, and I just record video then. And pretty much every morning I do that.
Wow.
So I just make my time before work. And to be honest, it takes me probably 5 minutes. So I'll record my video, just post it on LinkedIn, and then that's it. And I just do that every morning. I've worked it into my schedule.
And do you decide what the topic's going to be then, or?
That's a good question. So no, I have to have a topic planned in advance. Otherwise I just sit there in front of my phone for about an hour trying to think about what to say. So I have the notes section on my phone and I just write down notes as I go.
Okay.
During the week, if I hear something interesting, I'll put that down and then I'll just pick a topic from there, whatever I'm feeling for the day. But I know you do something a little bit different, which I thought was good.
Yeah, well I've always struggled with I'm not very organised.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I do plan things really well because I know I'm not organised, if that makes sense.
But then that kind of makes you organised.
Yeah, I know, right? Anyway, so what I do is I have like these pillars of content, this content strategy. Cut a long story short, like I actually create all my video content like way in advance. So I've got enough on my hard drives at the moment for 3 or 4 months.
Oh wow, that is very organised.
Yeah.
I'm actually really impressed by that.
So I just put a whole bunch on my phone and just whenever throughout the day I just post them.
So you're saying you post about 5 times a day?
Yeah, on LinkedIn, yeah.
That's amazing. So you're pretty much like the Australian Gary Vee, because I know that he posts.
Well, he's like, you got to post 100. Do you know what? If I could figure out a way to do it that was viable, I would do it 100 times a day.
That's crazy, but he has a team.
Yeah.
So I think for him to say 100 times a day is like a little bit difficult.
Well, he's talking about like
tweets,
ads and stuff as well, like being specific. So it's like, okay, you're a founder of a startup in Melbourne.
Yeah.
I'm going to make content for you and I'm going to pay to promote it to you as well.
Yeah.
So, if you're in Sydney and you're a hairdresser, you're probably not going to see it.
Yeah, that's true.
So that way it makes sense because it's like but if you're just posting organic content, you're not that targeted. You're at the start of the customer journey, which means it's got to cater for everyone, which means you can't be too specific.
Yeah.
So 100 times probably piss people off.
It's a lot of content. So what we're saying to you now is just stop with excuses.
Yeah.
Get out there and just start posting. Make time.
Yeah, you just literally got to do it. The only way you're going to learn is to fail faster.
Yes, fail fast. And just start posting.
Yeah.
No excuses, guys. Come on. This is it. Great outro. Thanks for watching.
4 minutes. That's like a record.